We are in Korea.
Welcome to our Airbnb here in Gangnam.
Our home for a week together. We're home, and the first thing we need to do is take off our shoes. What's great about Korean home is that there's a separate area that you know that it's a sign that you have to take off your shoes. And once we take our shoes off, let's walk around. This is just a general common area. This is a couch that can also turn into a little sleeping bed, a little more storage, chairs. But what's really great about our Airbnb is this common space. To me, this really feels like the central theme of our place. This is where we work, chill, take pictures. We probably spend the most time sitting here. And just more cooking ware. This espresso machine, microwave, even rice cooker. But you know, I think we paid extra for all these cooking amenities. This is where we have been cooking, recipe testing, eating, hosting with our little soju party, which was really fun. These are my traveling cooking kits. These are my measuring cups. Bought the cheapest and the lightest. These are my little traveling kit that just has my essentials. I have a zester, a couple of spatulas. I have peeler. This is our friendship spatula that we bought together. But this Airbnb has all of the above, so really didn't need to bring any of these, but you never know. Come to this special corner. It's a veranda area. A lot of Korean homes will have this little outside space where they normally have a laundry machine or just extra storage where they keep plants. And it's a luxury for us that we've been using this laundry machine.
When you're staying in an Airbnb, you have to be knowledgeable about the Korean trash system, which is maybe one of the most confusing trash systems I've ever have to deal with. So you have to separate your regular trash and then your recycling trash. It also includes all of your like vinyl or plastic or soft plastics. And then you also are required by law to separate your food waste into a separate bag. There's also very specific rules about what color bags you put what in and then when that's put out. I've been to Korea a bunch, and even then I'm always confused just because different neighborhoods do it in different ways. My favorite thing about this apartment is that it had 2 bathrooms. So James and I were able to share. This was his bathroom and the other bathroom. So in Korean bathrooms, you have to put on separate bathroom slippers. And the reason is because the bathroom is made to get completely wet. Because instead of there being a separate shower, there's this shower head that's attached to the sink. So then the shower comes out here, and then when you shower, the whole shower gets wet. And so that's why if you have to use the bathroom afterwards, you want to have some slippers to keep your feet dry. So cool. We got a cute little getting ready station. Rooms here. This place had 2 washing machines and also had 2 dryers. Oh, it also had a washing machine, which we didn't realize until
Dishwasher.
I don't use the dishwasher either.
좀만 들어갈게요. 안녕.
Welcome to Korea.
Okay, bye bye.
네, 안녕.